Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel. On this channel you will get the latest AI XRP, general crypto and precious metals new news updates. This is the first YouTube channel with 100% AI-generated news content drawn from real-time, real-world events. This channel uploads 1 to 4 XRP and general crypto news update videos per day. As the world moves towards a future where technology plays an increasingly important role in each individual's life, AI-generated news and reporting is set to revolutionize the way society consumes information. By subscribing to our channel, you are not only staying abreast of the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency and precious metals, but you are also becoming an early adopter of cutting-edge technology that is bound to have a direct or indirect impact on your life. Become a subscriber and join us as we explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies through the eyes of AI technology. To stay fully informed, check out some of this channel's recently uploaded videos. AI Xrp New News Update. Ripple has announced a partnership with the Central Bank of Montenegro to develop a pilot program for a central bank digital currency, CBDC. This partnership, which was first teased in January, aims to create a national currency for a country that currently uses the euro. Ripple's XRP cryptocurrency saw a surge in value to 52 cents on April 11 following this development, in conjunction with a broader crypto market rally. The governor of the central bank stated that they plan to collaborate with the government and academic community to analyze the advantages and risks associated with CBDCs or national stable coins. Ripple's vice president of central bank engagements and CBDCs, James Wallace, stated that Ripple has a proven track record of connecting payment systems and solving global payment issues with blockchain technology. Although XRP is not a CBDC, Ripple's blockchain is designed for institutions and enterprises, making it an attractive choice for governments and central banks looking to issue a CBDC. Ripple has been involved with CBDC projects in Bhutan, Palau, and with the Digital Pound Foundation in the UK. As Ripple expands its presence in the CBDC space and expectations rise that it will win its case against the SEC, XRP holders are anticipating a surge in value. With the market sentiment turning super bullish, XRP's rollercoaster ride may continue, especially with Bitcoin recently crossing the $30,000 mark. AI XRP New News Update. XRP has been experiencing a significant surge in value, rising by 42% in the past month. Contrary to popular belief that whales were behind this growth, data from crypto market data provider Kaiko has shown that individual retail investors were responsible for the upswing in XRP's value. Kaiko's latest data debrief revealed that South Korean investors were behind the astronomical surge in XRP trade volume, as the asset dominated the markets in Korea's top exchanges, surpassing Bitcoin, BTC. This surge was partly due to speculations of a favorable ruling for Ripple in the SEC litigation. According to Kaiko, this massive increase in trade activity among Korean investors contributed to the asset's recent rally. A chart provided by Kaiko indicated that the XRP-KRW trading pair gained a larger proportion of the XRP trade market share from March 28. However, most whale trades were bearish for the asset, with orders above 200,000 XRP, till $100,000, mostly sell orders from March 28, suggesting that whales were looking to take profit. Smaller orders recorded a balance between buy and sell orders. XRP trade activity was mainly concentrated on Korean exchanges, but the recent crossover of its 50-day moving average above the 200-day moving average is often seen as a bullish indication that an asset's price will continue rising. Egrag, a prominent crypto analyst, predicts that XRP is on track to reclaim the $1 price, but notes that the asset's run would only continue if it closed above 50 cents weekly. The asset closed the week at $0.5023. AI XRP New News Update. The ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC centers around the question of whether XRP should be classified as a security, and thus be subject to SEC regulations. John Deaton, a pro-Ripple lawyer and founder of Crypto Law, has recently taken to Twitter to dispel the idea that XRP purchasers acquired their tokens because of Ripple. He asserts that the majority of XRP purchasers were completely unaware of the company when acquiring XRP for the first time. Deaton also argues that the ongoing legal battle is not specifically targeted towards Ripple, but rather towards crypto technology as a whole. He maintains that an underlying token, such as XRP, is nothing more than software code, regardless of how it is marketed, offered, or sold. Meanwhile, attorney Jeremy Hogan of Hogan & Hogan believes that Ripple will prevail in its SEC litigation if the judge who rules, or her law clerk,
is familiar with cryptocurrency technology. He argues that because cryptocurrency is decentralized, and there is no single owner of the network, it is reasonable for someone to buy XRP as an investment without having a contract with anyone. Hogan contends that XRP cannot be categorized as a security, as there was no explicit or inferred investment contract in the instance of Ripple. He maintains that the SEC has not made an argument that such a contract existed. According to Hogan, there is no requirement for Ripple to perform any action other than the transfer of the asset, and thus XRP is merely an investment, similar to purchasing an ounce of gold. In recent updates to the ongoing lawsuit, the SEC has filed additional support for its pending motion for summary judgment. It remains to be seen how the court will rule in this highly debated case. Xrp New News Update. According to attorney John Deaton, this week has the potential to be the biggest ever for crypto due to several significant events. Firstly, Bitcoin broke the $30,000 resistance for the first time since June 2022, after rallying more than 50% in the last 30 days. Secondly, the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade is scheduled to launch, which will see the finalization of Ethereum's shift from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake algorithm, and users will be able to withdraw their staked ETH tokens for the first time. However, Deaton believes that the most significant event could be a favorable ruling for Ripple in its case against the SEC, which he believes could come at any time. A win for Ripple could set the industry on the path to getting regulatory clarity, while a victory for the SEC could justify the regulator's adverse enforcement actions against crypto projects. Xrp New News Update. Binance has announced that it will delist the TRX token, which belongs to Justin Sun's Tron network. The decision was made after a periodic review of the token, which apparently failed to meet the standard of excellence required by the exchange. Binance US cited factors such as liquidity, trading volume, and compliance with US regulators, including the SEC. The move comes just weeks after the SEC charged Justin Sun and his companies with fraud and manipulation charges, alleging that they manipulated secondary markets for the benefit of TRX via wash trading and inflated trading volumes. Sun also allegedly used bounty programs to incentivize recruiters to promote TRX and BTT. Given Binance's own regulatory challenges, the exchange is likely to be under pressure to demonstrate full compliance, and the delisting of TRX may be seen as a step in that direction. However, both Binance and Tron will face regulatory challenges in the future, as they deal with the SEC and negative mainstream press. Xrp New News Update. The recent release of Consumer Price Index, CPI, data by the U.S. Bureau for Labor Statistics, BLS, has had a positive impact on Bitcoin's price. Both CPI-YOY and CPI-MOM came in below market expectations, which has supported Bitcoin's bullish thesis. The asset climbed past the $30,500 level ahead of the release and is likely to continue yielding gains for holders with CPI coming in at market expectations. Bitcoin has outperformed stocks and has witnessed a higher correlation with gold, setting the stage for its gains. A soft inflation report has increased the selling pressure on the US dollar, which is positive for risk assets like Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Market participants are now awaiting a confirmation of a shift in the Federal Reserve's outlook to dovish, and investors will watch the FOMC minutes closely to gather more clues on the Fed's next steps and decisions on rate hikes in 2023. At the time of writing, nearly all cryptocurrencies in the top 30 assets by market capitalization have yielded gains in response to the US CPI data release. Xrp New News Update. The upcoming Shanghai upgrade for Ethereum is set to bring significant improvements to the network, including the ability to withdraw staked ETH. According to a report from Into the Block, only 0.6% of validators have opted for withdrawal as of April 10, out of the 562,717 Ethereum validators. While this figure is significantly lower than the total validators on the Ethereum network, it could still impact the Ethereum price if a large number of users suddenly decide to withdraw their staked ETH at the same time, leading to a temporary oversupply of ETH on the market and putting downward pressure on the price. However, on the positive side, the ability to withdraw staked ETH could result in more users wanting to participate in staking, increasing the demand for ETH to stake and reducing the overall supply of ETH over time. From a technical perspective, ETH could record a notable movement, potentially seeing a dip as the Shanghai upgrade commences due to the sell-off of validators eager to withdraw and take profit. Xrp New News Update. The expected interest rate hike by the US Federal Reserve could have an impact on the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies.
Analysts expect the Fed to raise the federal funds rate by 0.25 or 0.50% at its next meeting on May 2 to 3, with a 72% probability of at least a 0.25 hike. The hike is likely due to a sustained show of strength in U.S. job markets. Higher interest rates could put a squeeze on the flow of liquidity that helps pump the Bitcoin price higher along with other investment assets, which could potentially lead to a decline in crypto prices. However, BTC remains largely unfazed by the latest release of the CPI numbers for March, remaining firmly above $30,000. AI Xrp New News Update. On your screen is today's summary of the technical indicators for XRP. Based on 11 oscillator indicators and 15 moving averages indicators. Out of the 11 oscillator indicators, 2 recommends selling XRP, 9 are neutral, and 0 indicates a buy signal for XRP. Meanwhile, out of the 15 moving averages indicators, 3 recommend selling XRP, 1 is neutral, and 11 recommend buying XRP. Based on these indicators, the overall sentiment towards XRP appears to be bullish, with 5 of the combined number of indicators recommending a sell, 10 of the combined indicators being neutral, and 11 of the combined number of indicators recommending it is time to buy XRP. However, it is important to note that technical indicators are not always reliable and should be used in conjunction with other forms of analysis before making any investment decisions. AI Xrp New News Update. If you look at the screen of your device now, you will see a Bitfinex chart of the XRP USD trading pair on the TradingView charting platform. The featured chart uses historical daily price cycles to provide expected future price pivot dates for XRP USD. It is important to note that this chart should be used in conjunction with your preferred technical indicators to maximize accuracy. Buy and sell signals from your preferred technical indicators will most likely be triggered on or near the price pivot prediction dates. This chart is updated daily in our videos so that you can watch in real time the accuracy of the prediction method. However, it's important to exercise caution and consider the inherent risks and volatility of cryptocurrency trading before making any investment decisions. Here are the future price pivot prediction dates for the XRP USD trading pair. Be aware, this charting method does not predict price. Instead, it predicts price action. In addition, there is a one-candle window of error on either side of a specific price prediction date on the chart. This means, the actual pivot may come one candle before a specific prediction date or one candle after the prediction date. Now for the dates to look out for. Tuesday, April 11, 2023, Saturday, April 15, 2023, Sunday, April 16, 2023, and Saturday, April 22, 2023. This completes the AI Xrp New News Updates video. Thank you for visiting the AI for Us 2 channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.